Look at the size of this one. It's just massive. It's amazing what you can find in the dark. There's one. Come on, now I got him. Yep. Just pull him out. Right, look at that. Like he's just thick, juicy. Come on. Just built in the winter. So, I got it. All right, well, I got quite a few for tonight. I only spent about 10-15 minutes trying to find these. And I got just about as many as I did last time when I built this container. They're way bigger and much higher quality worms. So we'll add these guys right to the pile. Now you don't find those digging them up out of the ground. Like I've only seen these dug out of the ground once or twice, but these things are monsters. Great fishing bait.